Tralalero, tralala, tutong 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 sahur, tralalero, tralala.
Okay, ready?
Tralala,
Ready?
tralalero, tralala.
Final stars are challenged to create simple, delicious, and exciting dishes with Bethany and Kyla. Hi, I'm Kyla. I'm a content creator. We're not very good at dancing, and people like that, so it got some views. I would rate a solid. At the same time, I feel like I need to put more effort. I think I can do it. Yes, I agree. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making tomatoes. I'm gonna
Sige, ready? Bukay mo ang sibusya. Isagda ng tiil.
is more difficult. Cooking or what?
Ready?
Cooking. This whole process.
Tawin! Down!
Friends like eating part, which fuels me for the onions, for the
Agas! Ala, upat! Upat, tuwa! Last na! Last na sa ilahan. Makaila sila.
Slice them thinly. The rest of the green onions,
Siwag diri.
slice them almost vertically. What's the story behind your first viral moment?
Me and my sisters, we started dancing.
Magpagunan, di ba? Okay, ready? Last na lang ba yan?
Actually, no. They say, no, please stop.
Ready?
What's the story behind your first viral moment?
Ready?
Viral dances.
Ready? Tawin!
Just make it as
Wala pa gani?
bad as
Tama kaya?
And they liked it.
So, guys, when you're done
Gunit siya.
slicing green onions, you have there beside you an ice pack. Submerge it, and you'll see it magically curl up.
Sige.
A couple of paper towels, and I want
Ready?
the
Tawin!
Did you expect?
Down!
you know what? Sometimes when we dance, if it's good, my sister tells us, okay, we can do this again. She said, this is not gonna be bad.
You know that what people like. Sometimes it's the bad, silly stuff.
Kung sa wait ka? Balik daw kay may tao.
Your tofu.
Sige, last. Last na yun. Sila, ilahan na yun na Last. Last.
You kind of swing your
Ready? Last na.
chopsticks.
This helps.
Yeah.
Ready? Tawin! Ito pa gani. Nakita ang dagoy. Towel! Down! Tulog mas ikaw? Hala, muhapas mo?
Ayaw man dyan. Wala nga ito nung. Muna na sa kanyang bagyo. Ay, papo.
Sige, lak, sa pa isa. Hala.
Alam na, sa kuha nga rin lang. Ayaw, ice cream.
4 na, 3 and 4 of 3.
Nagtukot ito.
Dali na tayo, One, Jim. Ready? Taas, 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 taas. Towel! Down!
Ang kay, sayo mo na.